Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I can share some really nice home fragrances that I use to make my home smell really amazing. So let's just jump right into the video and check the collections. So this is a diffuser bottle, and this bottle contains liquid fragrance inside, and you get reeds along. So these are the reed sticks. Okay, so you get them along with the bottle, and what you're supposed to do is just open the bottle. You gotta open it like this. So these are the reed sticks, and you need to insert them into the diffuser bottle. You can just have them on your table, and the fragrance just comes via the reed sticks. Once I close the bottle with the lid, I don't know where to keep these sticks. So for that, I DIY'd a bottle like this. So it looks like a decor piece, and I just used to keep these two together. That one is from Miniso and this is from Market 99, but I lost the reeds, so I almost finished it, but then after that I just somehow lost them. This is another diffuser. So this is another product that I really love using, and this is from Bath and Body Works. This top portion is called the Wallflower plugin, and this is actually glass, so you need to be really careful with it. And this bottom part is called the Wallflower refill, so you need to get them separately. Okay, so the Wallflower, and they have really pretty designs for the Wallflower. The starting price itself is like $6.99, I believe, or it's $5.95. So I thought, like, okay, let's just get the basic one and try how it is. This is just like the all out mosquito thing that we use. Okay, so that's the same concept, and you can get different refills. This is one refill. This is actually the raspberry with vanilla. So this is fresh cotton. Okay, the fresh cotton and coconut. Okay, yeah, here's the price. Yeah, it is $6.99. So that one is the sweet pea. So the next one would be the candles, like the most common thing that everyone uses. So again, this candle is from Bath and Body Works, and I have other candles from Bath and Body Works as well. Are the candles that I bought them recently. This is actually a 3-wick candle. These candles are actually priced for $2,599, but every year they have a sale. So I generally get them on a sale for $999. So that's really a good deal. I just don't have the heart to lit the candles. What I do is just I open the lid and I just keep it like this. The entire room just feels so nice. Yeah, this is Twisted Peppermint. I bought this during Christmas, and this is the strawberry pound cake. It literally smells like you're baking strawberry cake at home. And yeah, this is the honey wildflower. There's just a small trick that I would like to share. How you're supposed to turn off the flame from your candle is that please don't blow it. Okay, if you're going to blow it, all the edges will turn into black, like the smoky black that you see in other candles. Okay, so the smoke will just spread and it'll just make the candle jar look really ugly. So what I used to do is, like, I found this trick. So this is a skewer stick. When you burn the candle will be liquidy in the middle. Okay, it'll eventually melt and it'll be liquidy. So what you're supposed to do is just take this skewer, and you have the wick, right, with the flame. Just press the wick down, dip it inside the melted candle, and the flame will go off. Please don't blow it, or else you'll have an ugly black jar. I've already used them. You can see it. It looks so neat and clean. This is another candle. I bought this from Miniso, and this is just a single wick candle. This one is from Home Center, and this is the normal spray type room scent. Okay, so this literally is like a perfume, and when you have all these normal sprays, right, the O'Donnell and the other ones, so they are mild, but this is more like a perfume, so it is very strong and very concentrated. If you're just gonna do a small pump, it's gonna be really strong. So this is the raspberry. At home center, they also have, the room sprays with the same fragrance with the really mild feel, but this is quite strong. I feel like it's really strong. So I use this, but not always.
I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. In case you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, bye.